Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks.